22 CR 4502, State of Texas versus Raymond Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record, please, for the state?
Michelle Hayden for the state.
For the defense?
Victoria Cruz on behalf of Raymond Martinez for the defense.
All right. And are you Mr. Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, counsel, I'm showing you the discovery acknowledgement. Have you received all the discovery in this case, and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Martinez, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, I believe married, cohabitating. Might be family violence.
All right, you have it as a family household.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem. All right, Mr. Martinez, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family or household as a Class A misdemeanor? The range of punishment for that offense is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargaining, sorry, you all going to have to whisper. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case? Did you understand if the court were to accept your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor. Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Martinez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family or household. They're asking for a $750 fine. They're recommending deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence in the BIPP course. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 80 hours of community service restitution, no contact with the complainant, and no firearm possession. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family or household, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments into evidence.
No objection from defense.
Mr. Martinez, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulations and testimonial stipulations. The court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, we would request courtesy supervision to Valverde County where he resides. He does work in Valverde County and in,
Important. Well, my job has a job for the contract and the overseas, but I might have to travel in the future for my
what
job.
counties?
Depends, I don't know at the moment. I think it might be in Austin.
Okay, but right now, what county do you work in?
Right now, working by Redness.
And is Valverde County where he's living?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So, how many children do you have?
I have one.
And is it the one with the complainant?
No.
All right. So there's no reason for you to contact the complainant at all. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
So why were you being abusive?
At the time, the argument escalated from a phone to ended up the situation where I ended up.
Well, what is this situation?
The phone,
No, what did you do?
what I do?
Yeah.
Well, I was pretty much, I was grabbing my phone from her, and I was holding her, and apparently the cop.
No, it says that she passed out.
She passed out. She said that she got choked her out, but I didn't choke her out to the point where she passed. I didn't choke her, like
But
I
did
was
you
holding her down on the
Yeah.
floor.
holding her down how?
Like on the floor, I had my arm like around her, and I was trying to get the phone at the same time. And when she was on the floor.
Well, it says here, she had redness to her nose and the front of her neck. So how did she get redness on her nose, neck, and upper back?
I don't recall that.
All right. And then there was a 7-year-old there. So do you know that the 7-year-old hurt you all? And how old are you?
33.
And how old is your child?
He is 7.
All right. And that's with some other female?
Yes.
And do you see your child?
We have like visitation.
That's either yes or no.
Oh yes.
When's the last time you saw your child?
I saw him. Oh, actually, recently I haven't seen him, and we're kind of going through like the process of the custody of
This is something I want you to think about. Hypothetically, let's say that the mother of your child got involved with another boyfriend, and that boyfriend was abusive to her, and your son heard it and knew about it. What damage do you think that would do to his psyche?
that would affect him.
And that's what you did on this day. You understand? All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication, $750 fine. That'll be probated. Affirmative finding of family violence, the BIPP course, 80 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. There's going to be parenting classes with T. There's to be no contact with Heather Cruz. There's to be a transfer to Valverde County. Defendant is allowed to travel for work. Proof of employment within 15 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Good. Good.
Okay. All right, probation, is there anything else that he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Just work wise.
Yes. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
That's the only.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, And because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand? Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand? If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you. We're off the record. Here's the thing. Everything that you do affects children. You understand? So you need to make sure that you are a better person for your son and make sure that he's somebody that would want to look up to you. All right, good luck to you.